Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, here we go. We're going to do it again. We're going to play What's in the Box, version 5. As you can see, I've got a medium flat rate box here. Received it in the mail recently, and I want to know what is in the box. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, as you know, I've got a nice prize. The winner is going to get a 1/4 ounce of silver. We'll talk about that here in a minute. But first of all, what is in this box? As we said before, it's a medium flat rate box. I'll move it up a little bit for you. See the barcode from the post office. It is 12 by 3.5 by 14.125. That's how big the box is. I'm not going to tell you how heavy it is. It could be really heavy. Sorry, I'm bumping my microphone there. Could be heavy, could be light. But, what is in the box? And I don't know how many clues I should give you in this one. I make it pretty easy for you guys with the clues, so I know it helps get you started. But this is a pretty nice package. Got some nice stuff in it. And I think I'm just going to have you initially guess with just the size of the box. So let's see where we go on this one. If nobody's getting close, and I'll throw some clues out there, maybe a little rhyme or riddle for you. But go ahead and throw some guesses out there. And let me tell you what you're going to win for the person who does guess what's in the box. You're going to win a 1/4 ounce of silver. Now I've matched them up again. Let me see if I can zoom my phone in a little bit there. Everybody knows what this stuff looks like, don't we? We have a 1964 1/4. And we have a 1964 dime. It's got a little smudge on there, but as you guys know, that's fine on this stuff. Looks like it'll wipe off pretty easily. I just don't take the time to wipe it off. So we have a 1964 1/4 and a 1964 dime. So Washington and Roosevelt are hanging out together. You can see the little black spot off the chin came off pretty easily. So if you win, you will win a 1/4 ounce of silver. And if you look this up, a 1/4 and a dime exactly equal a 1/4 of an ounce. So as most of you know, a $1.40 of constitutional silver is 1 ounce. So break that down. This is 35 cents. 35 times 4 is $1.40. So 35 cents is a 1/4 ounce of silver. So the very lucky winner is going to win some very, very cool constitutional silver and add a 1/4 ounce to their stack. Now look at this stuff. This stuff's in great shape. Most 64s are, but I didn't go back and get the slicks for you. I pulled some nice stuff out for you. So anyway, that is it. I need you to guess what's in the box. You can guess as many times as you want. First one that I see guesses the right answer will win a 1/4 ounce. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Got some great content coming up. Some more what's in the boxes I'm sure will be rolling along here soon. I like to give away a lot of free silver. So I want you to sign up, hit that bell button, and check it out. I don't think you'll be disappointed. That's it for now. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.